Hey everyone, it's Karen. Thanks for stopping by. This is Scrap by Scrap. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you find something you like. There's some older videos you could check out, or just this one or any. If you would love to, I would love for you to subscribe, like, and share. Those are the best things that anyone can do to help me out, and it doesn't cost you a thing. So today we are going to make, I don't know what you'd call it, a vase kind of out of a book. Yeah, I can't explain it, so you'll have to watch. So what you need for today is a book, some flowers, and some paint. And then we'll get started. So I'm gonna put all right, so I love the color of the blue, but we can't go with this. So I'm going to try and sand it because it is a little bumpy. And I might have to use spackle or something to kind of blend it in, but let's see what sanding does. Because we don't care what it says, but we just don't want the imprint there. All right, I think that's good enough. Not perfect, but I don't want to totally make it fall apart from sanding too much. And let us do water lily. Okay. So basically we're just trying to make sure that the name of the book is not like bubbling through, which it is not. But the color is just about perfect. So I did not get another video out. I missed a week because every time my grandson goes back to daycare, he gets sick. And then he comes here for 2 days. And I don't think I ever get not sick. It just keeps lingering, and then my little germy man will come over, and next thing you know. Okay, so we need this to dry. So somehow I made the spine of the book bumpy. I don't know if it's the wetness. We'll have to see. Okay, another bubble. All right, so we are, I think, done with painting. Put this away. And I'm going to grab some clear wax. Because I don't want to, if I wait till I'm done with the flowers, I won't be able to wax it properly. So that's why we're doing it now. Okay, so what you're going to do is just take it and pull it all the way in to the center. And then do the next one. And you're just going to keep going. And you can do it for however big you want it, thick you want it, whatever it's called. And we also just, I don't know I said it yet, but we just need the artificial flowers, which you can also get at the Dollar Tree, and they have some really pretty ones there. I have some Sola flowers mixed in with these flowers. And so this is basically going to look like a little vase. Okay, so these are in. So what we're going to do is we're basically going to just make a flower arrangement. You don't have to glue it in. We're just kind of sticking it in. So kind of want to just and you just keep going. You want to make sure that you don't have huge holes where flowers should be. And we're just going to keep on sticking them. And then just keep checking. I don't like that. I don't like it. So this guy. So this is halfway or close to being done. And as you can see right in here, too much green. We need some color. So I'm going to take this guy and stick him right in here. And I think I'm going to stick a little bit of glue, which I know I had out already. Unless you lose your glue, then it doesn't work out for you. Oh, I hate when that happens. And again, if I cleaned my table. All right, well, when they fall out or fall down like that, it means you have too many in one page. And this one has the wire sticking all the way through, which you don't want. And again, just stand it up and then give it a look over. And stick some greens down the bottom. Can also stick some moss in here. I have moss because it's coming out of the arrangement. And kind of pull it in. You don't want it to look like a solid circle bubble, but you also need to keep the flowers close to you. And center section. And I have one more flower, might as well use it. Oh, because I have 2 more flowers. Okay, now I think we need to spread these. I don't know what they are, but they got a little bit of white in them, so they're cute. And there's another one. So we're just trying to put a little bit of airiness, just stuff that's just hanging out. Okay, we can put some of this stuff in. Okay, and just a little filler. And just so that we can avoid seeing all the pages that we're putting these in. And don't forget that you can always fold in more pages if you need some extra room. So this is our book, and I hope you like it because I love it. I know, like, I'm not saying it like that I'm bragging because I like it. It's different, and I really do like it. But I'm gonna stick some eucalyptus in. So this is our book, and I hope you like it. I hope you give it a try because there we are. Because it's really not difficult to do. And yeah, so that is our project for today, and I will be back again with another. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing, sharing, liking, I appreciate everyone that does comment, but they make such a big difference. And even if you put just like an emoji, it helps YouTube to say, hey, people like that, let's show it to other people like that, or it works somehow like that. And yeah, it would really help me out. So I appreciate it, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.